Paris is the capital of fashion and luxury. Paris is where fashion was born, and Paris is where the world's greatest designers come to show their creations. There are 78 fashion weeks through the world each season, but there is only one place in the world where haute couture is shown: Paris. Bonjour, I'm Donald Potter. I've been in the fashion industry as CEO of major fashion houses and a board member of the Federation of Haute Couture. I'm also the chair of the fashion design department at Paris College of Art. Fashion is art, but it's also business, style, and strategy. In France alone, it's a 40 billion euro industry. In this course, I will introduce you to the world of French fashion. We will explore its recent history, looking closely at designers such as Pierre Cardin, Yves Saint Laurent, Kadenze, and Jean-Charles de Tastelbajac. We're going to start in the 50s and move through the decades to explore the social, cultural, and economic developments that have influenced the fashion industry. This will give you not only an understanding of what has happened in the past, but also a glimpse into how these events and trends will influence the future of fashion. Will you join me?